Passing them to go back, passing to go back, admire her beauty, admire beauty. Be disappointed with the test result. Expand the market. Preserve forests. Preserve forests. Struggle to get free. Arrange the meeting. Disturb sleep. Disturb sleep. Employ her as a spy. Engage in volunteer activities. An abandoned child. An abandoned. Abandon. Abandon. Persuade. Passation, persuasive, admire, admiration, admirable, disappointed, disappointing, disappointment, expand, expansion, preserve, preservation, struggle, arrange. Arrange words in the right order. Arrangement. Disturb. Disturbance. Disturbing. Employ. Employee. Employer. Employment. Lifetime employment, unemployment, engage, be engaged in, engagement, abandon,